start, the National Transmission and Dispatch Company (NTDC) expressed reservations about granting the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Transmission and Grid System Company (KPTGC) a provincial transmission license on the basis of the company lacking the expertise and experience of handling power distribution effectively, taking such a risk that not only divides the national transmission system but also places the control of a large portion of it in the hands of an external and potentially incompetent organization could further deteriorate the standard of power distribution in the country. According to the CPPA, there can only be one power system operator (NTDC) which takes on the responsibility of running the national grid according to existing laws. As such, any division by including external bodies for transmission in specific provinces would dramatically complicate functions. Furthermore, NEPRA also established an eligibility criteria for the license, including aspects like minimum technical skills, human resources, infrastructural requirements, and solvency. However, NTDC highlighted that the KPTGC did not meet the criteria by virtue of its qualitative standing in regards to planning capability and operational capacity. In the end, even though all stakeholders are cognizant of the fact that power transmission is a major issue in Pakistan, the solution cannot be to divert attention from improving distribution channels towards employing external companies that may not be equipped enough to maneuver around a sanctioned national grid. Pakistan reports 1873 new cases in one day. While many remain hesitant, the Punjab government has expressed support for the KPTGC provided that it meets the license's minimum requirements. What this shows is that even though support is extended from some stakeholders, it has certain conditions attached to it, meaning there is a very apparent deficit when it comes to KPTGC's technical knowledge, which must be taken into consideration before a permanent decision is taken. Stop.